Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. If you're just joining this channel, this is where you can learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Today is August 13th. On this day in 1919, the Middle Atlantic Coast region was hit with high winds and heavy rains. In Atlantic City, New Jersey, winds gusted up to 60 miles per hour, while in Tuckerton, New Jersey, up to 9 inches of rain fell. Crops were leveled and trees were stripped of fruit by the rain and wind, which caused several $1 million in damage. On this day in 1943, northern Ohio was impacted by a tornado outbreak. An F3 that moved through Canton, Genoa, Redurban, and West Manor caused the worst damage. 34 people were injured, and 1 person was killed. 2 more F3s killed 2 more people, one in Leavittsburg, where 28 were also injured, and another when an F3 came ashore from Lake Erie and hit Vermilion. On this day in 1952, the Nebraska counties of Saunders and Cass were struck by an F4 tornado that traveled 26.7 miles and 110 yards. According to Thomas Grazoulis, the tornado moved east-northeast from 5 miles southwest of Wahoo and passed 2 miles south of Utan. At least 15 farms lost buildings, and 2 of them were completely destroyed. The tornado injured 20 people but didn't kill anyone, and caused an estimated 100,000 1952 United States dollars in property damage. In 2025 United States dollars, that equates to over $1.21 million. On this day in 1987, a succession of thunderstorms produced excessive rainfall in Chicago, Illinois that started on the 13th in the evening and lasted until early afternoon on the 14th. In 116 years of precipitation records in Chicago, this was unprecedented for an 18-hour period. The resulting flash flood was the worst to hit the Chicago metropolitan area. O'Hare International Airport received a total of 9.35 inches of rain in 18 hours, breaking the previous 24-hour record of 6.24 inches. For around 24 hours, the airport was only accessible from the air as all roads were blocked by high water, including the Kennedy Expressway. 3 people died from the floods, and water damage amounted to $221 million 1987 United States dollars. To equate to that in 2025 United States dollars, it takes over $625.38 million. On this day in 2004, Hurricane Charley made landfall in southwest Florida as a monster 150-mile-per-hour Category 4 storm. This occurred after causing heavy damage and 4 deaths in Cuba, and 22 hours after Tropical Storm Bonnie had struck northwestern Florida, marking the first time 2 tropical cyclones struck the same state in a 24-hour period. Charley struck the northern tip of Captiva Island and the southern tip of North Captiva Island before crossing over Bokeelia, Florida, causing severe damage. Charley then continued to produce severe damage as it made landfall on the peninsula in Punta Gorda. It then continued to the north-northeast along the Peace River corridor, causing destruction in Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, Cleveland, Fort Ogden, Nocatee, Arcadia, Zolfo Springs, Sebring, Lake Placid, and Wakulla. Charley was responsible for 35 deaths and $16.9 billion 2004 United States dollars in damage, which in 2025 United States dollars equates to over $28.759 billion. Due to the damage, the name Charley was retired from that list of Atlantic tropical cyclone names. It was replaced with Colin for the 2010 season. On this day in 2014, an official New York State 24-hour record was set in Islip when 13.57 inches of rain fell in a 24-hour period that started on the 12th. That will close up this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because whenever there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video. If you're just joining this channel, please check out all the other videos that have been posted on this channel. And please check out my Patreon at patreon.com/c/thisdayinweather for more content.